In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation rules in Systemi.io. Automation rules are the backbone of a hands-off workflow in System.io. They connect events to outcomes, so your business responds automatically when a contact does something important. Think of them as simple if this, then that instructions that run in the background and save you time. First, log into your Systemi.io account so you can access your dashboard and tools. You don't need anything special here. Just make sure you're signed in so your changes can be applied to your workspace. From the main dashboard, head to automation, then select rules. This is the central hub where all your existing rules live and where you'll create new ones. The rules page gives you a clear overview, making it easy to organize and update how contacts move through your system. Click Create Rule to start a new rule. This opens a clean configuration flow where you define what should trigger the rule and what action should happen as a result. You're essentially telling System.io what to watch for and what to do automatically when that happens. Next, choose a trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the automation. Common options include when a contact subscribes, when someone makes a purchase, or when a tag is added. For example, contact subscribes is perfect for welcoming new leads from a form or a funnel. Makes a purchase is ideal for sending receipts or onboarding messages. Tag added is great for organizing segments or kicking off a targeted follow-up. Pick the one that best matches the moment you want to react to, and remember that triggers fire every time that event occurs unless you later refine your logic. After you've selected a trigger, choose an action. This is what Systemi.io will do automatically once the trigger happens. You can send an email to deliver a welcome note or a quick confirmation. You can add or remove a tag to keep your list organized and ready for targeted campaigns. Or you can enroll the contact in a sequence to deliver a series of messages over time. Select the action that aligns with your goal: fast confirmation, precise segmentation, or ongoing nurturing. That's the core of creating an automation rule in Systemi.io. Define the trigger, then define the action. Keep your rules focused and purposeful so they're easy to manage. With just these pieces in place, your system can greet new subscribers, follow up on purchases, and sort contacts automatically, giving you more time to focus on strategy and content.